To buy waves coin or crypto on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy the waves crypto on Binance app in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to the Binance app. This is the icon as you can see, and this is the home page. Now after you go to Binance app, you need to sign up or log in up, and after that let's just search for the crypto that we want. This is it, it's waves. Now if you want to buy this crypto right here, you have just to click here down below and choose buy, and now you need to type the name of the coin or the crypto or the token like this, and here is it, waves, and now click buy ESDT. Now choose the amount of money that you want to spend on this crypto, like 100, and then click here. You will find buy it. If you are logging it to your account, you will find the buy option right here, and after you click on it, everything will be done and you can buy it in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.